a cracked version of the FLUX model combined with two acceleration techniques, WaveSpeed and TeaCache. First, we see this model named FLUXGON, where the latter part represents the rejection mechanism. The revised model is more flexible, capable of handling more diverse inputs while retaining the core capabilities of the original version. Navigate to RunningHub and click on the AI section, or click the link in the introduction to register, which will give you 1,200 points. Logging in daily will also reward you with 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow for the video. All AI applications that can be started with one click have been synchronized and deployed online, allowing online operation and testing. The FLUX model can be loaded in the same way as before, but now it uses a different version of the UNet model, which is the one after removing the rejection mechanism. Additionally, this approach has been fine-tuned for T5 and ClipIL, so corresponding versions need to be replaced as well. Acceleration technologies like WaveSpeed and TeaCache are integrated into the process, and they can be used together to achieve super fast performance. This process is different from the previous one. Here we've applied the KGA node, which can... Let's switch between LoRA models without having to retrain them, so I've also included this in the code. Under such acceleration, generating a 1,324 by 1,024 image takes about 9 seconds. This also relates to the version of FLUX. You can try other versions of FLUX, such as our distilled version. After using such acceleration techniques, each time you change the resolution, you need to remutate the model. However, once the resolution is fixed, there's no need for mutation, which significantly improves performance speeds. Now, I find that the plugins for both of these have become quite mature, and installation is no longer as difficult as before. Update Comfy to the latest version and perform a proper installation to achieve this speed boost. Why not embrace automation? Redux, Controlate, and LoRA have already been supported. Those interested can try this large model with acceleration and rejection mechanism. I recommend a great SD community called LibLibAI. It has a rich collection of models and Comfy workflow resources. You don't need local computing power, as it supports online operation with fast speed.
Beyond basic processes, we can build more complex workflows and run them online.
So most of the time, this channel shares some open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It brought down the prices of many popular models, such as V2, Killing, and Wanxiang. Some specifications were even lower than the official published prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up bit by bit really saves money in the long run.